कि अर्ज क्या है ना इश्क कर झूठा, ना प्यार कर फर्जी। ना इश्क कर झूठा, ना प्यार कर फर्जी। आगे मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, मेरी शायरी मेरी मर्जी।
आपके शायरी को सुन के मेरे मन में एक शायरी आ रहा है। ना तुझे पाने की चाहत है, ना तुझे पाने की अब चाहत है, और ना ही जुनून। इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन। कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं है। चलिए, तो इसके बाद हम बुलाना चाहते हैं बेस्ट स्टूडेंट को, जिसका नाम है मिस हाजिरा। प्लीज कम होल्ड दिस माइक्रोफोन।
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this golden chance to introduce myself. Myself, Halta Khanam. I read in class 5. My hobby is play badminton, and my aim is to be a good doctor. Now I am talk a few lines. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। हमारी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता हमें खुद बनाना है। अब सफलता मिले या ना मिले तो मुकद्दर की बात है। सफलता मिले या ना मिले तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें तो गलत बात है। Now I'm talk my topic. My topic is doctor. Everyone has different kinds of M. M is very important for our life, but my M is to be a successful doctor. Doctor play a major role in our life. They decade pollute in a very hard work. And I am save the people become by a doctor. Thank you so much. You have been a great audience of the day.
Okay, so after that, we want to listen Mr. Saqib. So please, Saqib Babu, come here.
A fantastic good morning to all of you, my dear friends and respected sir.
Good morning.
I would like to thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunity to tell and explain something to you.
Yes.
सबसे पहले मैं एक शेर बोलना चाहूँगा
Yes, yes.
जो घर के बड़ों बेटों पे मैंने लिखा है। हमारे यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में अगर बाप के ना रहने के बाद अगर कोई बाप का किरदार निभाता है तो एक वो बड़ा भाई ही है जो बाप का किरदार निभा सकता है। इसी पे मैं एक शेर लिखा हूँ जो आप लोगों के बीच बोलना चाहूँगा। मैं कागज की कश्ती लिए निकला था, मछुआरा बनूंगा। मैं कागज की कश्ती लिए निकला था, मछुआरा बनूंगा। मैं अपने घर के बड़े बेटे चाहता था अपने घर का सहारा बनूंगा। मैं अपने घर के बड़े बेटे चाहता था अपने घर का सहारा बनूंगा। अगर गुर्बत की हवा ने बुझा दी मेरी घर की चिराग, अगर गुर्बत की हवा ने बुझा दी मेरी घर की चिराग, तो मैं अपने घर का उजाला बनूंगा। बूढ़े हैं मेरे माँ बाप और छोटे हैं भाई बहन, बूढ़े हैं माँ बाप और छोटे हैं भाई बहन। ओ जानी मैं पहले उनका बनूंगा फिर तुम्हारा बनूंगा। फिर एक जॉन एलिया की शायरी मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है। अब तो निकाल तू खुद के अंदर से, अब तो निकाल तू खुद को खुद के अंदर से, घर में सामान की जरूरत है। So ladies and gentlemen, I am Saqib Khan. I am from Siwan in Bihar. I am 18 years old. I like offering namaz, Quran and Hadith and business study. Hmm. My idol is Sheikhul Hadith, Amirul Mujahideen, Imam Alama Khadim Hussain Rizvi. I want to be a successful businessman. I am pursuing Bachelor of Commerce from IGNOU. At this time, I am improving my communication skill by Imtiaz Sir in Bestok Institute. I have done computer course ADCA and business digital marketing. Mm, I want to be a successful businessman. Mm, I can speak 3 languages: Hindi, Urdu, and English.
Yes. Mr. Ayush, please come here.
Have a nice good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Imtiaz sir because he has provided me a fantastic chance to say something about my topic and myself. Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Singh. I hail from Fatehpur, UP. I am 22 years old.
As far as my education is concerned, I have done my intermediate from UP board. At this moment, I am learning spoken English by Imtiaz sir in Best Talk Institute. Uh, my hobby is playing kabaddi and water games and listen music. And the goal and mission of my life is to be a good businessman. That's all. It's my short introduction. Now I'm going to tell you my topic. My topic is my target. Uh, so my friends, I have already told you. I to the goal of my life. The goal of my life to become a great businessman. So, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that all that no work, no work is small or big. In the life of businessman, every day is a new challenge. But we never faces these challenges. He is the true businessman. To become a businessman, don't just want money. Courage, hard work, and passions. Courage, hard work, and passion are also required. Only then will you get businessman success. Sorry. To become a businessman, only intelligence required. Uh, courage, confidence, and leadership skill are also required. Then will you get success. That's all. Thank you so much.
So after that, we are going to invite Mr. Johnny Singh of our institute, Mr. Gufran. Hold this microphone, sir.
Hi everyone, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, thank you so much, my dear sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. तो मैं आप सभी के बीच एक फनी शायरी रखना चाहता हूँ कि अर्ज क्या है ना इश्क कर झूठा ना प्यार कर फर्जी, ना इश्क कर झूठा ना प्यार कर फर्जी, आगे मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, मेरी शायरी मेरी मर्जी। So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gufran Khan. I am from Khawaspur, Siwan in Bihar. I am 18-year-old. I am a student of class 12. I like playing cricket and reading books. And my target is to be a great safety engineer. That's all. It's my short introduction. Today, my topic is safety engineer. What is safety engineer? Safety is very important in my life. This line is golden line. Safety engineering is an engineering discipline which assures us that engineered systems provide acceptable levels of safety. System safety engineering. That's all. Thank you so much to listen me carefully. You have a great audience of the day. Thank you.
आपके शायरी को सुन के मेरे मन में एक शायरी आ रहा है। ना तुझे पाने की चाहत है, ना तुझे पाने की अब चाहत है, और ना ही जुनून, इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन। Okay, so after that, I'm going to invite Mr. Irfan sir. So please come here. Hold this microphone.
कि मरीज अब हमें दवा बताने लगे, कि मरीज अब हमें दवा बताने लगे, बुरी वक्त आए तो सब आजमाने लगते हैं। कि मरीज अब हमें दवा बताने लगे, बुरी वक्त आए तो सब आजमाने लगते हैं। कि तू मत जान नए अमीरों के घर, वो हर एक चीज का कीमत बताने लगते हैं। So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. How are you? I am also fine. So first of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir because he has given me a fantastic chance to say something about myself and my target. So it's my pleasure to introduce myself. And this is me Irfan. I'm from Siwan and I'm 18 years old. If I talk about my educational qualifications, so that I have done ISE in 2023, and but at the same time I'm improving my communication skill and personality development in Bestak Institute. And my hobby is playing cricket, and my target is to be a doctor. Now I'm going to talk about my dream, my goal. Why do I want to become a doctor in my life? Please listen me carefully.
Yes, of course. You're ready.
Because the whole people want the all people wants to that person know me, that person give me respect, and the and and there are many, there are lot of respect in this life, in this doctor life. But the doctor life is not matlab enjoy. Doctor life is very serious. Why doctor life is very serious, as you know that? And why doctor is called God? Because I think God is always active and serious. If God is not always serious and active, so the whole world is will be serious. So that doctor is always active
Serious.
and always active and serious. If वरना मतलब
If otherwise.
otherwise patient will be serious.
Yes.
and and second reason is money, because there are a lot of money in this field, unlimited money. But I think not, if you live in the world, क्योंकि बिरयानी तो सब कोई खा लेते हैं, मतलब ऐसे भी अगर उसमें चटनी और सलाद हो तो उसका अलग ही मजा होता है. If you have money and you have respect, so you are easily survive in this world.
You easily, very good.
And because एक कोटेशन है, नो फ्रेंड नो प्रॉब्लम, नो बॉयफ्रेंड नो प्रॉब्लम, बट नो मनी इज बिग प्रॉब्लम. And second reason is one of the and a strong reason to become a doctor. This matlab become a doctor, this it is not my dream, it is my parents dream. Because क्योंकि सपना तो अपना सब कोई पूरा कर लेता है, कोई माँ बाप की सपना पूरा करे तो उसका अलग ही मजा होता है. तो थैंक यू so much. Listen me carefully. You have been great audience of the day. Thank you so much.